Today, I'm going to animate one of our favorite foods. Actually, it's not one of my favorite foods, but we are going to be animating hot dogs. That's right. The challenge is, can I turn an ordinary hot dog into a monster? I'm going to be using my favorite animation app, ToonSquid, to turn ordinary hot dogs into crazy monsters. I'm going to do 3 different versions and you get to vote on your favorite. So let's get started. It's the hot dog animation challenge. Still working on the theme song for this one. Okay, so we have our hot dog here. And I think the first thing, why don't we start with some eyes. And right here, some very monster looking eyes. Yeah, and what color? I think go with the yellow. So we have some eyes, and let's give those a little bit of movement. This is where I animate. Maybe the eyes kind of go out a little bit more each time. I don't know if this is going to look right. Oh, wait, they should come back into the center. It's not bad. Let me color this in. Coloring's probably the thing that takes the longest. Hot dog with eyes. Yeah, we've got the eyes. Now we need to add a mouth. Rough idea for a mouth. What do you think? Teeth like that? And what would you make the teeth? Do we make them green or some light green teeth? I kind of like that. This movement might be a little weird. Let's loop it and see. Not so bad. I think I want it to stay closed just a little bit longer. That works. I like that. Back to my coloring. I am just coloring. We've got our little mouth over here. Just put it right here. And let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Now you might be wondering, why is there all this blue on the mouth? I'm going to show you. In ToonSquid, you have these effects. Just go right over here. I'm going to hit Chroma key, and then I'm going to pick that blue color, and woo, look at that. Look at that. It's magic. And now it looks like that mouth is really a part of that hot dog. Okay, our monster hot dog is looking pretty good, but I think we need to add a little bit of motion to the character, kind of get a feel for it. I'm going to go into my effects, and I am going to add warp. And you can have a lot of fun with these warps. Just warping this hot dog, and maybe I'll warp it the other way. Oops, too much. Too much warp. Okay, let's see what that looks like. I like it. It looks like its head is going to explode. For the legs, keep it pretty simple. What do you think of those? And also, let's give it a bit of a tail with spikes. What color do you make that, though?
A darkish green color.
Got our legs and feet in. To life! What else do we need now? The next thing we're going to need, let's see, I think the next thing we're going to need some arms. Yeah, let's give this thing some arms. So let's draw arm here, some fingies, an arm here with some fingies. Probably going to look weird with the mouth. Oh, arms disappear. Arms disappear. Arms disappear. Yeah, that one arm kind of has a weird thing going on there. So let me just move the arms down. I'll cheat it. I'll just move the arms down here. That works. That works. Okay, and let's add some horns or something to the top of the head. Whoa, these are really big horns. Look how big those horns get. There's our very first monster. It's not bad. You know what? We could also change the color of the hot dog. That might be kind of cool. So let's see what that looks like. Slightly green. Might not look good. Oh. Ooh, what do you think? It doesn't even look like a hot dog anymore. I think now it looks more like a pickle. Yeah, look at it. I mean, it's like the same color as a pickle almost. Okay, I don't know if I put the eyes. Let's see. Throwing these things on here real quick. Oh, we need that mouth. Yeah, I think we almost have a monster. Yeah, I think we got to change the color of the hot dog. It doesn't work. I think I like the original color for better. I think it might need some fire. And there we go. We got monster number 1 down. Remember, you're going to be voting on your favorite one. You know, usually the first one isn't the best. But then sometimes the first one is the best. For hot dog monster number 2, check out, I gave it a little effect. See when this one's like pulsating. Let's start with this monster's eyes. Not bad. I think those are good. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know. I think the eyes, something not gelling with me here. You know, as much as I think I have a better idea for the eyes. Because it's like pulsating and gross. Various eyes, different parts of the hot dog. I mean, we're going for really disturbing, right? Let's see if that works with the pulsing. Oh, I don't like it. It is gross. It is gross. That's kind of disgusting. Let's work with that. I think they need to be kind of like busting out of the bread. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, gyrating. I like it. Okay, let's just throw in some color here. Let's see what it looks like. What if I turn the hot dog? What if it was like this way? Ooh, possibilities. I don't know. There's something a lot creepier about that. I like that. I like that. I think I've got to slow down the motion there. That was they're a little jarring. I think that's better. I like that. Okay, and let's add the mouth. So let's see. Just draw like a mouth in there. Some little teeth. Now, what kind of mouth animation would this have? Be a pretty cool animation. I like that. Okay, I got that all finished up. I really do not like coloring things in, but that's okay, because here we go. Let's check it out. Okay, I like it. I like that it's so different than the last one. Let's add some legs. Thinking we could do just 2 legs. I'm also thinking maybe multiple legs. So something like, ooh. Just roughing it in there. Just see what that looks like. I have to change the position of some things. I don't like how it's going up. I want the legs to stay in place. So I'm going to cheat this a bit. I'm going to draw these really disgusting legs. But I'm just going to draw these 2. I'm also going to give them a bit of a wobble. Like a boiled line effect. Just, it'll look way more disgusting with wiggly little legs. So you basically just copy that same frame again a couple times over. And we'll play it back to see what that looks like. Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want. It's like shaky and just take those. I'm going to duplicate them. And I'll throw them over here on the other side. Like so. Let's take a look at the... I like it. I like it. I do think it needs... I'm thinking drool coming out of the mouth, but I don't know how to do that. I've never animated drool. So I think what I'm going to do is just go in with white. And I'm just going to animate some drool here. And then on these, I'm going to lower the opacity. It's a little too white for drool. Let's see what that looks like. Might not be that noticeable. I don't know if I needed to add it. I mean, it's not doing that much, but it doesn't look horrible. I think that's monster number 2. Look at that. Okay. So, 2 hot dog monsters. We're on to our 3rd and final monster. Okay, so for our last monster hot dog, I think I'm going to put the eyes here on the ends. Yeah, I like that. Ooh, let's stretch it out just a little bit more. How far can we go with this? Nice. Almost looks like it could fly with its eyes. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. First, let me give it a little a bend of some kind to it. So, I don't know exactly. It's just playing, you know, you're just trying things. So let's try this. Not bad. Push it a little bit more. And then we can bring it down. Okay, let's go with that. I like it. Now we're going to add some legs. And by legs, I actually mean arms, because this thing's going to walk on its fingers. Makes it a little more unique. And just kind of roughing it out, seeing what works. Oh, if it's going to do that, maybe let's try this. Maybe if we have like claws or fingers. Okay, I like that. Let's see what we can make with that happen. So I'm making these arms like kind of viney. Again, I think what I'll do is I'm just going to draw the one arm and copy it. Now you know my little cheat. It's important in animation to have cheats because it is a long, lengthy process. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, there we go. Now it's time to add a mouth to this monster. So I'm thinking this looks like a perfect mouth shape already. We have the with the hot dog and the bun meat. Almost don't need to even open the mouth, but I gotta see what it would look like. I gotta see what it would look like if we opened the mouth. So the mouth looks good there, but let's see what it looks like when we put it in the motion scene. You know what? I think it might work. Let me color it in. And let's see what that mouth looks like. So kind of opens here. Yeah. And let's play that. It actually looks good. I like that it opens. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Again, just like we've done in the past, I'm just going to draw one wing and then I can reuse it. So if I just draw the wing on one side, see what that looks like. Not very good. Let's see. It goes up, up, up. We'll do a little blur. Okay, let's see. Nice. That works. Good enough. Good enough. Okay, so let's just add that wing right there. And then I'm going to duplicate it and put it on the other side. So let's see what this looks like. I wish I had more teeth, but I think that might creep it out a bit more. And but it looks good. I like it. So there we go. We've got 3 monsters. Okay, artists. So I need your votes. We have 3 hot dog monsters. Which one is your favorite? So we have hot dog number 1, who I am going to call Keith. But if you want to, you can just say in the comments your vote is for number 1, or just add 1 hot dog emoji like this. And our next contestant, number 2, I think this one turned out pretty good. And it's this 4-legged, slobbering slime hot dog with lots of eyes. I'm gonna name this one Sarah, but you can just put number 2 in the comments or 2 hot dog emojis if this one is your favorite. And finally, hey, but first, before we hit the last contestant, make sure you like and subscribe this video and let me know what you would like me to animate next. My job is to animate some crazy characters. And for our very last monster, of course, we have the flying hot dog monster, which I'm gonna call Josh. So just put Josh as your favorite, or number 3, or just use 3 hot dog emojis. Artists, I had a blast creating these with you, and I can't wait to see which one wins via the comments below. I know I have my favorite one, but I'm not gonna say here. And hey, I'll see you in the next video. We're gonna do some more drawing, creating, and imagining, because that's what I love to do.